Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify returns with loop returns step by step clearly. To start updating Shopify returns with loop returns, log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Locate and click on Loop Returns from your list of installed applications. Once Loop Returns opens, select the Returns option from the dashboard. Choose the return request you want to update by clicking on its corresponding order number. Review the details of the return request, including customer information and items being returned. If you need to change the return status, look for the Update Status button. Click on this button to access the status options. Select the new status that reflects the current return situation. If you are updating the return reason, look for the Change Reason section on the screen. Select a new reason from the drop-down menu if needed. After making your updates, make sure to double-check the accuracy of the information. Once confirmed, click the Save Changes button to apply your updates. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the return has been successfully updated. Inform the customer of any changes made by using the communication tools within Loop Returns. You can choose to send an automated email update or contact the customer directly. To track the updated return, you can revisit the returns dashboard for future reference. This completes the process of updating Shopify returns with loop returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.